you can still see air bubbles that come out. All right, now we're gonna change the thermostat out and then vacuum the whole system out and fill it with new fresh coolant. Get these clamps off. Let's see here. Yeah. Easier said than done, huh? There we go. All right, now we gotta try and get it off. Oh my God, it's so small. Okay, we're twisting. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see if we can get this off. Ah, that's not nice. All right, we're gonna twist on me. Come on. Nope. That's gonna twist. See if this will work. I hate doing this because that's how you ruin them. It ain't coming off, is it? No. Oh, there we go. All right, let's do this one now. There we go. Now we got 2 bolts. Look like 10 mil. Top one right here. There you go. It's on it. All right. Something's turning. Let's try tightening it. It's turning. It's turning. It's coming. Ho ho! All right. Now we got this one. This looks way worse. Which does 2 things. Holds this bracket too. Come on. All right, one on there. You're stuck in there. Oop, there we go. All right, we're gonna have some coolant come flying out, aren't we? Let's get my tray under there. Yeah, there it comes. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's about it. This guy just scraped it real lightly with this. The weight of the tool. Just pushing on it. Let's go over it. That's it. I'll take a little clean scrubby. Clean it off. I'm just going to spray a little bit on the bolts. All right, when you put it in, you're going to make sure this is straight up and down. All right. So keep the wire out of the way. There you go. And I am totally off. Okay. We'll line the top bolt up first. Let's put the bolt in the bracket. Oh, no. Should line up. There we go. Now it's like a 3-step process. Just torquing it down. Your final torque is 8.7 foot-pounds. Ends up being like 104.4 inch-pounds. So we're gonna do 105. And right there, it's you got flush. Give it a little extra. A little extra. A little more. Oh, click. Click. There you go. All torqued. 105. Then we gotta get our Wires back on. All right, this one. Then we got the one that goes here. Get your hose out of the way. I'm not even sure how this goes on. Nope, right there, there you go. Okay, we'll put a lower hose on first. All right, we'll put the clamp on. Okay, I like putting it back where I found them. I just gotta figure out how to unlock it. All right, that's easy enough. Squeeze these two together. And then watch your fingers though. Oh, that's it. That's all I want. There. We are going to mix a 50% 1 gallon concentrated to a 50% distilled water. All right. I'm gonna mix 2 gallons, one of each. I hate this tin foil ends up inside of radiators. I don't know how many cars you open up, you see them inside of valve covers. Pull the valve cover off, you see them on top, sitting on top of the head. Yeah, a little tin foil. Ends up in everybody's side of everybody's engine. All right, we'll pour that in there. Oh, she's green, huh? Yeah. Better than blue. This is 1 gallon, yeah. All right, the car takes like a little over a gallon, but you don't want to just put this in a gallon jug, like buy 50-50, because then you'll run out halfway through, well, almost there, and I'll take the hose out and then you'll introduce air into the system. All right, so we're going to use one of these. I'm just going to hook it on the hood, like that. This end goes in the bucket. Find your right adapter. Put it on your radiator. There you go. And this end hooks to this end. All right, now what we're gonna do is pull the vacuum, okay? You're gonna pull a vacuum by opening this up. Air is going to go through here, Manchuria effect. It's going to pull here. It's going to pull a vacuum into the system. You want to stay in the yellow area. Okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to pull a small vacuum. We're going to pull some vacuum. And then I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to open this up until the tube gets full with coolant. Then I'm going to shut it off. Then I'm going to go back over here, turn this on, and keep pulling the vacuum. Get my vacuum where I want it. And that way I know when I open it up, I'm not going to let any air into the system. We're going to hook a hose in this in case we need to, because we should probably, will most likely still have some sort of coolant in there. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bungee cord, slap it onto it. This. The airline's got somewhere to rest. Put that, make sure these are closed. Hook that up. Wow. All right. Woohoo! We're rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, what we're gonna do is turn this on. Oh, this turns it on right here. See right there? All right, you don't want to do that. I shouldn't have did that, but. All right. Now I'm going to pull this on and start pulling the vacuum. Just pulling the vacuum. All right, we're going to turn that off. And we're going to turn this on, watch the coolant come up, get up to here, turn it off. That's it. I'm not going to introduce air into the system. I'm going to turn this back on, keep pulling the vacuum. You'll notice all the hoses. I'll get you a little closer here. Now, you see there? Yeah. See how the hose is sucking itself in? Getting all the air out of there. And you want to be anywhere like 20 to 25 pounds PSI. When we're done with this, I'm still going to use the bowl, fill it up that way. But the beauty part about this thing is the vacuum will fill the whole system for you. And this should start to cave in. And it is. All the hoses are caving in. Okay, I think we're good for now. We're good. Turn that off. Take our airline up now. All right, now make sure it's in the bucket at the bottom and open it up. Right, watch the bucket. In the bucket, yep. It's going down. There's a gauge going down. Yep. It's filling. Well, still has something going on here. Oh no. Look at the hose. Slowly filling up. Neat, huh? Vacuum's going down. And the bucket's getting empty. So we'll wait that to drop to 0. Our hoses are pretty full now. It's a nice little system. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're getting anywhere now. Looks like it's pretty much it, huh? Still holding a little bit of a vacuum. Yeah, our gauge is a little funky. Yeah, we still got a little vacuum. All right. Turn this off, open that up. There you go. System's pretty full. This should empty out. Go back in the tube. Take this off. We're done with this. All right, now what I'm gonna do, go like this, and it's down just a hair. You're about to hear. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use this. I like the other thing, and I sort of trust it, but I don't trust it. So we're gonna find one that fits in there. Over this. And you know, like, should fit in there snug, and that's too loose. Oh, yeah, it is a little loose. We got another one here. Yeah, that's the one. All right, put that on here. This is kind of loose. All right, then we don't need none of these. Let's go find a nice place to hide them. Shh, don't say that. All right, you take this, put this on here. Okay. Pour a little coolant in there. Not a lot. That's it for now. Sometimes it comes up. So you gotta watch that. And we're gonna try and keep this maintained for about an hour. I'm gonna put this on here. Gotta fix that. All right, here we go. This might work. Short notice. Okay. So we're gonna fire it up, make sure everything looks good. Get the housing back on, full of somewhat coolant. Take this off. All right, see, we're still missing coolant. Yeah. If you would trust the other thing only, you wouldn't be missing coolant. But too much. This thing overheats, starts to come up. You can kind of burp it a little. Help it out. Burp that one. That one out. All right, everything looks good. We're gonna go fire it up. We're gonna let it run. Let it do its thing. We're gonna let this go for about an hour. Just keep watching it, monitoring it. All right, the reason why you wait, because right now the thermostat is not open. So you're not really getting it in the system properly. Even though that vacuum kind of helps get some of it in a little tight area. This is gonna get it in the whole system. All right, I'll get back to you. I've had this thing going for about a half hour now. Finally starting to get up the temperature. You can still see air bubbles that come out. All that air was trapped in there. All right, getting all that? See that? I'll squeeze the hose, rev the engine up a little bit. All right, once you're satisfied, no more air bubbles are coming out. Take this. That in here. Hold this down because this ain't very tight. Wiggle that out. There you go. Put that off to the side. Then you're gonna take this cap off. And put your regular cap on. There you go. So full now. Check out your other reservoir. All right, should fill up. How about that much in there? Let's see, when we shut it off, it should start to fill up. Yeah, so now it'll boil itself out a little bit. Watch the cap, now it's hot. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. I don't have a little bit to put in there. I got it all in a bucket. I gotta pour it from a bucket. Let's check. All right, we're good. That's it. All done.